This tutorial provides an example of how to use the Sensatus Capital Reorganisation APIs to process a split. A split increases the number of shares or issued securities, which in turn reduces the shares or securities price. In this example, we will process the Tesla 2022 3-for-1 split. Using the Reorganisation Add API, set the Reorganisation Types ID to 9 for stock split. This reorganisation type and all others are applicable to reorganisations across all asset classes. The record date was the 17th of August 2022. Assuming the date used when entering investment transactions is the execution date and not the settlement date, and allowing for T+2 settlement, set the execution record date to the 15th of August 2022. Set the X date to the 25th of August 2022. Set the new issue ratio to 3 and the old issue ratio to 1 to implement the 3-for-1 split of the client holding. Set the fractional value to false, as there will be no fractional holdings, and set the fractional return value to false, as there will be no return of fractional entitlements. Add a description and leave the remaining fields set to their default null value, as there will be no return of cash via payments or fractional returns, and therefore no need to apportion cost. Use the returned reorganisation ID should you need to delete it. In this example, the client started with 100 shares and the position was increased to 300 shares after the 3-for-1 split.